Ate, where are we going?
We're going to eat at a local cafeteria.
What's that?
Ano tawag ko sa Tagalog? Karinderya.
Karinderya.
Yeah, where they serve local food, Filipino dishes
And affordable.
at a very affordable price. It's what? I have $1 budget. Wala pera.
And we have umbrella.
Yeah, because
It's very sunny.
yeah, it's very sunny, but for the past few days it's been raining. Because why? Why has it been raining, Mika?
There is a typhoon. Do you know what's the name of typhoon?
What's the name of the typhoon?
Kinta.
Kinta?
Kinta.
Quinta?
Yeah. That's why we're absent yesterday, right?
Yeah, that's why we were absent yesterday.
Because it's been raining last
yeah,
week.
and there was no electricity.
Oh,
Blackout.
we don't have electricity yesterday. That's why we're absent.
Yup.
Go. Let's go. We're going to eat here.
Where?
Here.
Ah, there.
Ah, is there open?
I think it's
Oh my God, is that open?
not open.
Where are we going to eat?
I don't know. Keep moving.
It's closed.
Yeah.
Where are we going to eat?
I don't know.
It's closed.
It's closed.
It's closed, guys. So we're finding another karinderya.
This is my favorite karinderya ever.
Always order
Yup.
what? You always order what?
My favorite hasilog.
Hot salad.
Yup.
Hot dog and egg is the best.
Yup. Hot dog and egg is the best.
Now we're going here.
So we're so sorry that we can't show you the traditional Filipino dishes.
Right, because
But-
it's closed.
This is the best.
Yeah. What do you want to eat? All of it. You can ask ate.
Pwede po ba like, kunyari hot silog tapos pa-additional spam?
Pwede? Ay, pwede.
Kaya pwede po ba?
Pwede?
Yes.
Palm silog with hot dog. Then chick silog, then corn silog. What are you doing?
Cleaning.
Sanitizing
Sanitizing.
the chair and the table.
Yes. Because
Always clean. Ate
it's
Lynn.
dangerous.
It's dangerous.
It's hard to get sick. We don't have money for hospital.
I don't know money for paying the bills.
Yup.
So now we're waiting for our order. What did we order again?
I ordered spam silog with
Spam
hot
silog
dog.
with hot dog.
Yup.
Then mine is chick silog with hot dog also.
Yeah.
Why you like hot dog so much?
Who doesn't like hot dog?
Who doesn't like hot
Who doesn't like hot dog? I think even men like hot dog.
Yeah, I think so.
Hot dog with on stick, mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise.
I like.
Diba? Even the sandwich.
Who doesn't like? You shout. Who doesn't like hot dog? Raise your hand.
You like hot dog?
So we got already our food.
This is hot dog with spam and egg. And what's the English of this rice?
Garlic rice.
Garlic rice. And it's only 80 pesos. 80.
Let's eat, let's eat, let's eat.
Ano pa kanin? Okay, lagay mo dyan.
eating.
So we're done eating and everybody's looking at us.
We're going to buy what we're going to buy.
They're looking. They're looking. So what are we going to buy?
Dessert!
Yup, the usual
Ice cream!
ice cream.
Tao po. Pabili po ng ice cream. Parang bata. Pabili po ng ice cream. What you will buy? What flavor you will buy?
I want chocolate.
Chocolate? Where's the chocolate? The blue one?
The brown one.
The brown one? Pabili po kuya the brown one. And the red one. That one? This one? The brown one? Or this one? Is this a chocolate?
Ano ba yun? Oh, chocolate.
This is chocolate. Ito po kuya, tsaka ito. Thank you. How much po? 40.
44.
44? Oh, no. Expected ko 100. Nakukuha ng mga ano eh.
44, so 22 pesos each. So usually you can see carinderias everywhere, but because it's pandemic,
Here oh,
It's
they have
closed.
grill.
yeah, and
At
this
ano?
usually they sell ihaw, grilled,
Yung grill.
grilled food, street food.
I think later, mga 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Mm.
Oh. There's a what is
At
that?
the designated, we will fight the sabong.
Wow,
Online sabong.
no.
Hi there.
Oh, sorry. Hello.
You go near. Then
No, you fight it. You fight it. Are you ready? Oh, so usually when you buy cornetto for dessert, they have this. What do you
Pick-up
call
lines.
it? Pick-up lines.
for the girls or boys.
When you translate it, it's like, I must be a superhero because whenever you call me, I'm there.
Oh.
Wow! So did you enjoy the budget-friendly lunch?
No. I think we eat it every day.
Why do you think carinderias are popular here in the Philippines?
I think it's common na because they sell affordable and quality food. Actually, every street in here in the Philippines have karinderya.
Usually.
Usually, every street you can see here in Manila have karinderya.
Yeah. It's so sad that we didn't get to show you the traditional Filipino menus at
Because it's
Carinderia.
That's why we go to the silog.
The ever popular Silogan. So that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And we will see you soon.
Bye!